Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 2 and now we will present the GUI project of Universal Calculator. So here is our group members starting from the Badrul, me, Amirul and also Haziq. This project outcome and objective is to implement GUI application that includes a standard calculator and a unique converter. Next, calculator and converter functioning well, where is for a calculator is support basic arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And for converter, it provide a selection of category to choose from, so that make it easy to find. And lastly, ensure that all button and input field are easily accessible and usable. Hi, I'm Amirul, and now I will show you the coding for the main menu interface. Here is the list of import statement that in Java program with the function that mentioned at the comment section. And here is the public main menu, where the frame is set. The title is Universal Calculator with the size of 500 times 500 size in the pixel. And at this line, the application should exit when the window is closed, and it will place at the window at the center of the window on screen. And here is the main container, whereas the background is set to the black color. And here, the color of the title, whereas welcome to is white and universal calculator is red. And we use try-catch to use the font of Pacifico, but if failed, it will set to fallback, whereas the sans serif. So here is the code for the create calculator button, where the color was set to the green with the size 200 times 100. So when at this line, when the button was clicked, it will show the calculator interface and hide the current window. So now is a converter button, whereas the color was set to the yellow button with the size 200 times 100. And at this line, when user click, it will show the converter interface and hide the current window. So now is a create panel for the button, whereas this line was function to add gap between the button, and this is to add padding around the button. So now create panel for the main content. So at this line, it helped to add vertical space between the titles and the button. This code is for create main panel, whereas this to help the center the button vertically. This add main panel to center of the content pane. And lastly, this is to create an instant main menu.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Badrul Zaman. So I'm going to explain the coding for the converter. So the first one, we have the converter interface class, which set up the graphical user interface. And the next one is the window setup. We set the title of the window to converter and set the size of the window to 600 pixel wide and 400 pixels tall. So set default close operation line, ensure the program exits when the window is closed, and set location negative to null, centers the window on the screen. So we have layout setup. So this coding will add a padding around the component. Next is the back button action signal. So this one is to make when the user click the back button, it will go to the main menu. So new main menu dot set visible true creates a new instance of the menu and makes it visible. So the next one is creating the top panel with the back button. So at this coding, we will add a new panel to the left and creating combo boxes for number system. So at this coding, we will create an array of number system option. We have three, which are decimal, hexadecimal, and binary. And after that, we will be creating labels. At the label, we will create a label from, to, and into number. And after that, we will create a panel to the input and output field, so the user can enter their input. The next one is creating button. So at this creating button, we will create three buttons which convert, reset, and swap. So the next one, we will explain about the adding action listener to the button. So we have three buttons which are convert, clear, and swap. So in the convert button, when the convert button is clicked, it will handle the conversion logic. When the clear button is clicked, it will clear the input and output field when the reset button is clicked. So the next one is when the swipe button is clicked. So the swipe selected number system in the combo box will swipe with each other. The next one is we will initialize decimal value to 0 to store the number converted to the decimal integer. So we use switch case to convert input to decimal, as you can see at the screen. And to convert decimal to desired number system, we also use switch case. After that, at the end of the line, we will display the result by using output field.set text output.
Hi, my name is Haziq. So I'm gonna explain about the calculator interface for the coding line. This is for the calculator interface public class, and this is for the calculator interface function, all the style, and then this is for the button style. This for the button function, and for the style. This is for the button. Panel location, and then it's for the clear button function, which is used for the clear all fields and variable related to the calculator. And this is private for play sound, which is for when we tap button in the calculator, it gonna play sound, click sound. And then this for the action listener for all calculator buttons. This is for the calculator field text. AC, which this is for the AC all clear button. Reset for the calculator being to 0. Del, which is a backspace. If we put something wrong, and then we just delete it. Okay, this is for the calculation, and this is for after we clear the calculator, we start a new number. And this is for the custom circle button. For this, for aesthetic purpose. And that's all for us. This is for calculator interface. Thank you. Okay, so let's talk about the main menu interface. This is the main menu interface for the universal calculator. We have two options, which is calculator and converter. This is example for calculator, and then this is for example for the converter. That's all. Thank you.
As you can see, we have calculator interface right here. So we will try all the function button one by one. So first, we try the addition button, 5 plus 5, which is equal to 10. So we clear all the output and try another button. We try 5 minus 5, which is equal to 0, which is correct. Next, we will try 10 times 10. So the output is correct, which is 100. And the next one, we will try the division button. So 10 divided by 2, which is 5, which is correct. So the button function functioning properly. So let's say we want to enter 15, but we click 16. We can click the delete button and enter the correct number again and do your addition. Let's say 5 equal to 20. And the next one is we try the percentage button. Let's say we want to calculate 20% out of 100, which is equal to 20. So all the button is functioning properly. And the last one is the back button. When I click the back button, it will goes to the main menu.
Okay, now I will demo the converter interface. Here is the list of the original type of the number with decimal, hexadecimal, and binary. And here is the list of type that we want to convert to. So let's say I want to convert decimal to binary and I choose number 50 and I click convert, it will appear the result. So let's say I want to convert binary to decimal, I just click swap and reset the data and also input the number. Let's say I choose 1100 and click the convert button. It will appear 12. But what if I want to convert binary to the hexadecimal? I just choose this and click convert, it will become C. So here is the button back that will return to the main menu interface if we click.